Welcome back to GearFlux Garage. The 2026 Nissan Patrol marks a bold new chapter for one of the most respected full-size SUVs in the world. Now in its 7th generation, this redesigned Patrol blends legendary toughness with modern performance, advanced technology, and a more luxurious presence than ever before. Long known as a dominant force across deserts, mountains, and highways, the latest Patrol evolves without abandoning its core identity. It is stronger, smarter, and more refined, positioning itself as a flagship SUV built for both demanding terrain and premium daily driving. At the heart of this transformation is a major shift under the hood. For the first time in decades, the Patrol moves away from a naturally aspirated V8 and embraces a new generation of power. The standard engine is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 from Nissan's VR35 family. This advanced power plant delivers an impressive 425 horsepower and a massive 700 Newton-meters of torque. Thanks to twin turbocharging and modern engine management, power delivery is immediate and smooth, offering stronger acceleration while also improving efficiency compared to the outgoing V8. For enthusiasts seeking maximum performance, the Patrol NISMO raises the bar even higher. Its hand-tuned version of the same 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 produces a class-leading 495 horsepower while maintaining the same 700 Newton-meters of torque in sport mode. This makes the NISMO variant the most powerful Patrol ever produced. Throttle response is sharper, engine sound is more aggressive, and overall performance is tuned for drivers who want excitement without sacrificing durability. Both engines are paired with a newly developed 9-speed automatic transmission. This gearbox offers smoother shifts, better low-speed control off-road, and improved fuel efficiency at highway speeds. Power is sent through a robust 4-wheel drive system designed to handle extreme conditions. Multiple drive modes allow the Patrol to adapt instantly to different environments, including standard, eco, sport, sand, mud, and rock. A rear differential lock further enhances traction when tackling challenging terrain, reinforcing the Patrol's reputation as a true off-road machine. Despite its modern upgrades, the 2026 Patrol retains its body-on-frame construction. This traditional architecture ensures exceptional strength, towing capability, and long-term durability. To balance comfort with capability, Nissan offers an available adaptive air suspension system. This system can automatically adjust ride height, improving ground clearance off-road or lowering the vehicle for easier entry and better on-road stability. The result is an SUV that feels equally confident crawling over rocks or cruising smoothly at high speeds. Step inside and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The interior of the new Patrol is designed to compete directly with premium luxury SUVs while maintaining practicality for families and long journeys. The centerpiece of the cabin is the stunning 28.6-inch monolith display. This seamless unit integrates two 14.3-inch screens, one serving as the digital instrument cluster and the other as the central infotainment display. The interface is sharp, responsive, and designed to minimize distraction while maximizing information. Comfort is a major focus throughout the cabin. The 2026 Patrol offers seating for up to 8 passengers, making it ideal for large families or group travel. Available premium quilted leather upholstery elevates the sense of luxury, while front and second-row seats can be equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. These features transform long drives into relaxing experiences, whether navigating city traffic or crossing vast highways. Technology extends beyond the screens. A head-up display projects key driving information directly onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road. Wireless charging keeps devices powered without cluttering the cabin, while tri-zone climate control ensures personalized comfort for passengers in different rows. Audiophiles will appreciate the available 12-speaker Clips premium audio system, which delivers rich, immersive sound throughout the interior. Safety and driver assistance systems are equally advanced. The 2026 Patrol is equipped with Nissan's Pro Pilot technology, offering a suite of intelligent features designed to reduce fatigue and enhance confidence. Lane Keep Assist helps maintain proper positioning. Intelligent Cruise Control adapts speed to traffic flow, and Predictive Forward Collision Warning monitors vehicles ahead to anticipate sudden braking. Rear Automatic Emergency Braking adds an extra layer of protection when maneuvering in tight spaces. On the outside, the new Patrol presents a bold and commanding design that reflects its flagship status. The front end is defined by signature double C-shaped LED headlights and a reimagined V-motion grille that emphasizes width and strength. Clean body lines and muscular proportions give the SUV a modern yet unmistakably rugged appearance. Dual-tone exterior color options add a touch of sophistication, allowing owners to personalize their Patrol's look. Wheel options range from practical 18-inch alloys to striking 22-inch machine-cut wheels that enhance road presence. Every element of the exterior is designed to balance aerodynamics, durability, and visual impact. Whether parked or in motion, the 2026 Patrol projects authority and confidence. In terms of market availability, the Y63 generation Nissan Patrol has already launched in the Middle East, where the nameplate has a loyal following. In North America, the same vehicle is offered as the new Nissan Armada, bringing Patrol engineering to a wider audience. Other markets, including Australia, are expected to receive the new Patrol in late 2026 or 2027. The 2026 Nissan Patrol represents more than a redesign. It is a strategic evolution that respects heritage while embracing modern expectations. With powerful twin-turbo V6 engines, advanced off-road technology, a luxurious high-tech interior, and a bold new design, the Patrol continues to stand as a benchmark in the full-size SUV segment. It remains a vehicle built to conquer landscapes, carry families in comfort, and deliver prestige without compromise. For longtime fans and new buyers alike, this latest generation proves that strength and sophistication can coexist. The Patrol's blend of heritage, innovation, and capability ensures it remains a symbol of confidence, endurance, and modern luxury for years to come on roads worldwide.